As the founder and CEO of Ring Marketing, I wanted to take a moment to reach out to you as we all make adjustments to cope with these challenging times. Most importantly, I want you to know I hope you and your family are doing well and staying safe. Additionally, I want to let you know Ring Marketing remains steadfastly committed to serving your business needs during this time. To ensure the safety of our staff, I made the decision last week to let all Ring Marketing employees work from home. They will continue to do so until health officials advise it is safe for them to return to the office. In the meantime, please know that all business at Ring Marketing is proceeding exactly as it always has. Our entire staff continues to work full-time on behalf of all clients' businesses. As part of that process, your implementation coach is working diligently on your account and is available to consult with you whenever you need. I realize that some clients might consider it prudent to pause particular campaigns for the moment. One of our defining principles is that your success is our success. So I always want you to feel comfortable in making the right decisions for your business. Please contact your coach to discuss what options work best for you. Know that even while certain campaigns are paused, our staff is actively managing your account and continue to work on your organic and local presence to ensure no disruption in those processes. While we all work together to get through this challenging time, I want to thank you for continuing to be a Ring Marketing partner. We greatly value your business and look forward to continue to help you succeed now and in the future.